In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Spacedesk as a second monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Spacedesk is an application that you can download simultaneously on your PC, a Windows desktop or laptop, and then add an Android device, iOS device, and other options here to essentially extend or mimic your main display. So go to the Spacedesk website and choose the option to download it here. You will download it for your PC, laptop first, and then once you have it downloaded, you will download the viewer for the secondary machine or the secondary device. So you can find it available on the Play Store or the App Store, and you can already see the steps here. It is actually incredibly simple to set up. The main way of connecting them together is going to be by having both displays or both devices rather on the same Wi-Fi network. So let's say, for example, you are using a PC and then a tablet. As long as both of them have been connected to the same Wi-Fi network, when you open the Spacedesk viewer on your tablet, you will see your Windows PC listed here. So choose it from the list. And now this viewer will be used in conjunction with Spacedesk running on your PC. And like I said before, you can either extend or mimic your display. If you choose extend, it will be used alongside the Windows PC, giving you more desktop space. And like I said before as well, it can be used on various different devices. So they have the viewer for Android, iOS, Amazon, Windows, and Windows 7. Download any of these and use it in conjunction. Make sure that both of them are running on both devices and that you are in the same Wi-Fi network. You can also potentially use a cable to connect them both together, so keep that in mind as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.